Toy Monkey.
Tayo the little bus construction site playset. Let's see what's inside. Hi, I'm Tayo. Let's assemble the playset. The slide goes here, and the crane goes in here. Here's a construction site container. Time to add details with the stickers. Look, Tayo brought us the street signs. It says, "Danger, slow down." More signs, more stickers. Conveyor belt can be clicked here. When you turn the handle, the belt rolls up. Rogi says, "Hey, I want to go for the slide too." Then Lani says, "Me too. It looks like so much fun." Whee! Whee! One more time, please. Bong Bong and Heart are going up for the slide. Whee! Yahoo! Heart wants to play hide and seek and hides in the garage. Can you see Heart? Let's use the crane to catch the colorful eggs. Pink. Blue. Yellow. Green. Orange. What's inside of an orange egg? It's orange Tim Threadless. What about a blue egg? It's blue Jackson Storm. Let's open up a pink egg. Hey, it's red Macqueen. What's inside of a yellow egg? We've got yellow Cruz. Last egg is green egg. We have green Sarge.
Hey!
You can change the position of the conveyor belt to the center and continue to have fun. Max the dump truck brought some white balls. Kyle can carry out the white balls by clicking the button. Let's say hi to our digger friend Poco. Hi! Thanks for watching. See you next time.